In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Upgrade your workout. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of exercise and discussing 6 popular exercises that you might want to consider replacing for better muscle growth. So, let's get started and upgrade your workout routine. First up, we have burpees. While they're great for conditioning, they can lead to inefficiencies in your movement patterns. Instead, try incorporating bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or pull-ups. These will challenge your cardio without compromising your form. Next is the bench press. While it's a great exercise, the barbell can put a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Consider switching to the dumbbell floor press or cable press instead. You'll still get a fantastic workout without the shoulder strain. Now let's talk about running. While it's an excellent way to burn calories and boost cardio health, it can be high impact on your body. Swap out your next run for a low-impact activity like rowing, cycling, or using an elliptical machine instead. You'll still get a great workout without the joint stress. Moving on to the deadlift. It's a fantastic exercise for building strength and muscle mass in your posterior chain muscles. However, you may be putting too much stress on your lower back if you don't have proper mobility or aren't mastering good form yet. Instead of doing deadlifts until perfect form is achieved, try some Romanian deadlifts or single-leg deadlifts at bodyweight first. They will still help build muscle while also teaching proper form and technique without the risk of injury.